All right, new mic, new year. Hello, everyone. This is celebrating the end of Chinese New Year, which literally ends today, and we are making my mom's traditional dumpling recipe from Beijing. And the whole point of this video is to just inspire and for you guys to make some dumplings on your own. You don't have to have the same ingredients that we use. This is just what's traditional for my mom's family and where they're from, but feel free to use the ingredients that you would like, and I'm going to put an ingredient list right here and hope you enjoy. Make some dumplings. Happy Chinese New Year and hello to everyone. By the way, I know that the video is a little bit long. My mom has a lot of tips and tricks that can bring your dumpling making skills from good to great. So if there's any part that you just want to skip around and fast forward to, go ahead. I just want to document the entire process, even for my own sake, for when I want to make it in the future. That's why it's a little bit on the longer side and including a lot of the detail that we want. But enjoy, skip around, do what you will. Just a heads up.
This is kind of a northern 馄饨, big 馄饨,
Okay.
大馄饨.
Yeah.
Because the wrapper is thicker,
All right.
similar to dumpling.
Okay.
So for the filling, basically that's a ground onion and ground meat and other seasoning. But for this one, ground pork, you put in
Soft scramble.
soft crumble.
Okay.
And
Nice.
put in there, and then put some couple of tablespoon of dried shrimp like this. Nutrition,
It's actually a lot of protein in this.
lots of protein.
It's like pure
and
protein.
Gave a lot of flavor.
Yeah.
Like a couple of tablespoon.
Yep.
That's big,
Cool.
flavorful.
It's like that extra umami in there.
Exactly.
Yeah.
So make it simple and easy, but flavorful. Thing, just the green onion, a little dry shrimp.
Yep.
Dry shrimp actually you can put in later on, but really doesn't matter. Pack or a little one. You can fresh ginger. More taste. I have this fried onion.
Nice. That's pretty cool. Oh shoot! You just buy that from the store?
From the store.
Okay.
This you cong su fried scallop. Form better and also
Tenderize.
tenderness.
Okay.
That's the most important thing.
Tenderizing the meat.
Exactly. So it's about a tablespoon. I usually put red wine. It's about 2 tablespoons.
Yeah, just like a quick lug.
You can put in beer. Beer is good too. Or you have leftover red wine, white wine, whatever leftover. Exactly. But I don't usually specifically
You added a little bit of water too.
I would because you have cornstarch.
Oh, okay.
Okay. I don't usually buy cooking wine. I just
Use whatever
use
one.
whatever I have. My mom doing it, my grandma doing it, my grandfather doing it.
Always the same way like this. They always made it like this.
Mostly like this, okay?
Yeah.
But if they don't have egg, you don't have to put in egg.
Yeah,
okay?
yeah.
If you don't have this chai, you can put other vegetables. But
Okay.
this is my favorite.
Yep.
Okay. Sometimes you don't have dry shrimp handy, and then you don't
Just
have
improvise.
Exactly.
Cool. What about people putting cabbage in their filling? What's your opinion about that?
What?
Putting cabbage in the filling. What's your opinion?
Yeah.
I think it-
that's one of the
Traditional?
yeah. And also daikon,
Okay.
and also cilantro.
Yep.
And,
Oh yeah, you didn't put
or,
cilantro. That's it for the filling, yeah?
the filling.
Nice.
Just open before you make it. Otherwise, it's too dry. It's not easy to fold.
All right.
Okay. So you'll have the wrapper,
Yep.
and don't put too much stuffing. Otherwise, it's going to leak. Okay.
Just that much?
Just like
Like a
that much.
quarter?
Yeah, that should be fine.
Cool.
Okay. And you put the water. I usually put water on 2 sides. Okay. If it's a round wrapper, you put half.
All right.
Huh?
Okay.
Then you fold it as a triangle. And when you fold it, try to remove the air. Squeeze the air out. You see?
Okay.
Otherwise, make it puffy when it's boiling. And also, it's not easy to fold. Okay?
Yep.
So, and here, at the one end, and also a little water. And press it.
One end and just fold it like this.
But one thing, make sure you press all the edge
Together.
together.
Okay. Like
Otherwise,
freeze
it's
it.
going to
Fall apart.
fall apart.
All right. So like pressing this. All right. Then I put some water here, and you just fold it.
Yeah. The other way.
Wait, what? Oh, like this.
Yeah.
Wait. So I put water on the wrong side then.
Yeah, wrong side.
Oh.
Yeah. But if the wrapper is too dry, it's frozen, right?
Okay.
So you better not fold the last step. Just make a triangle.
Wait, I messed it up. Yours looks so much
See?
different than mine.
You put it wrong side. Watch me again. Here.
All
Remove the water or the air.
Yeah.
Here.
Oh, it's really okay. Kind of folding it into each other. All right, I messed that one up. Whatever.
The key is keep the stuffing inside, seal all the edges, and that's it. Other than that, it's
Yeah.
here.
Oh, it's really okay. Kind of folding it into each other.
The key is keep the stuffing inside, seal all the edges, and that's it. Other than that, it's a bonus.
Remove all the air. Seal it
There's a little water here.
on the index. You fold it like nope.
One's in, one's front, one's
What? Like this?
close. Better.
What?
Yeah, much better. Much better than this one. Look.
Yeah, that one looks messed up. All right, closer.
Closer, yeah. Seal all the edges. If it's homemade wrapper, right? Completely fresh, then you don't need water because it's flexible enough.
Yep. All right, so one in back, one in front, one in back.
Yeah, yes.
Like this?
Yeah,
Really?
yeah. Close.
What? What do you mean close? All right, let's watch you do it again because it's still not right. There's still like a gap.
Wow. It's not right, but here.
On your right, okay.
Twist.
Huh. Okay.
See?
Oh, you're holding it this way. Oh,
Yes. Holding it this way.
Yeah.
One's front,
One's front, yeah.
one's back.
Oh, one's back here.
You made it.
Okay, I see. I was holding it the wrong way. Holding it upside down, and
Yeah.
then one up, one back.
Exactly.
Oh.
Yeah,
Now that's better.
see?
That's proper looking now.
Proper looking
shit.
model.
I don't know why that's so hard. We went from this, which just looks completely incorrect,
Right.
to something like this, which is correct now. This is just like a fortune cookie thing. I don't even know what that is. And now we have a proper one like that.
Yes.
Cool. Whatever. I'll still eat that one.
Yeah. The taste doesn't change, only the shape.
Yep.
So don't stick them together. Now I put them together, stick like close to each other because I'm cooking it right away.
Yeah. Fair.
You know, before we left for the trip, I didn't have enough time to make, so I just make it clean and cut, put them together, put in the freezer. You see, still like fresh, right? So today I have a little leftover again. I put them together. Maybe Sunday or Monday we can make a xiaobing. Water.
Fully boil, yeah.
Yes. The technique,
Pork shoulder.
the technique is when you put it in, you keep this moving. Otherwise, it's a stick together. One or two together will be good enough, rather than the whole plate put in. Okay, dumpling. So you see, make it flow.
Yep. So now they're all in.
So I basically have half of them.
Yeah.
I
another
can't
plate
put
there.
70 all together. It's too much.
Yep.
So it's 35, 40. Okay.
Yep. So lid on, keeping the heat high, and then just let them go.
Yeah.
And then
Until it's boiling.
until it's boiling again. That's how you know
Yeah,
it's done.
until boiling again. And don't let it soak in the water for too long after it's boiling.
Yeah.
Otherwise,
It's
it's overcooked. But we just want to make sure it's boiled already, right?
Yeah.
I put in a little water, half cup of water, and then keep it down, and then I'm boiling again. Then I'm going to
Yeah, that's
take
so
them out.
quick. That's literally like 2 minutes.
Right.
Oh, yeah, it's been
Yeah,
running
it
for a
really
while.
depends. So I don't want to say how long takes,
Yep.
but to what point.
Yeah.
To
You
the
can't look at the
next
time.
step.
You can't put a timer
I
on it.
can't.
And it's
Right.
always going to be different depending on your
Exactly.
stove.
You see? So quick.
Yeah. So those on the top are ready. Or
It's
the whole
top
thing's ready.
already.
That was literally like
Yeah.
a minute or two.
Especially the egg inside is
Cooked.
cooked.
Yeah.
And also the chive, we can eat raw. That's why it's so quick.
Nice.
Okay?
Cool.
Cool.
This plate is the one that I mainly made. Wait, the final product, these dumplings. This is the typical setup for how it is. We take this vinegar, which is a Chinese vinegar. It's a special kind, as you can see here. It's a Chinese kind of vinegar, and it's dark. It's less harsh than white vinegar, but it's a little bit more salty, but it's not as salty as soy sauce. If you don't have this, soy sauce is obviously fine for all you people out there, but this is the traditional one to use from northern China. And yeah, you take a dumpling here, dip it in here real quick, and yeah, you go ahead. What we also like to do sometimes is put chili oil or any hot sauce you have in this plate as well, so you can just kind of like dip in between, and there we go. Right, dinner is served. This plate is mainly ones that I made. These are the ones my mom made, and we have some pork shoulder braised here. Nice.